pain of rising prices will continue to pinch in the weeks ahead, with the rupee sliding into uncharted territory and crude oil spiking above $120 levels, even as the government keeps fuel prices and the resulting price rise in check.
All has been relatively quiet on the fuel prices front for the past 68 days. Despite the heat, retail prices have not increased. In fact, falling in mid-May when the sentence states cut excise duty and the value-added tax on fuel. In the national capital, petrol prices remained stable for a month and a half before falling to the present level of 96.72 rupees per litre. This despite the price of Brent crude rising from $74.89 per barrel on the 6th of April to $120 at present, a rise of more than $45 a barrel. Meanwhile, it's the other fuel products which have faced the price shock. CNG price in the national capital has risen to 74% since April. Non-subsidized LPG prices have risen 6%, while aviation fuel prices have zoomed to 30%. The price freeze is reportedly eroding the bottom lines of oil marketing companies. According to sources, these companies are absorbing losses of 18 to 21 rupees on every litre of fuel sold in the market. What is complicating the matters is the strengthening of dollar against the rupee. The Indian currency has breached the 78 to a dollar level in trade today, closing at 78.13 to a dollar. This basically translates into the fact that every barrel of crude oil coming into India is 5% costlier than it was in January, just because of the rupee-dollar exchange rate. This is a triple whammy for a government which is battling 8-year high inflation levels. Not only is it subsidizing sale of fuel, it is also facing national losses due to the excise cut of fuel. Now, with both the dollar and crude prices working in tandem against it, the government may soon have no choice but to lift the price freeze. A poll by Business Today shows nearly 80% of the respondents are in favor of the price freeze. However, comments by several respondents show how the common man is worried about the economic cost of the price freeze as well. Clearly, there is a growing realization that if not directly, the Aam Aadmi is indirectly paying for the cost of increased prices in other ways. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.